Hello friends, welcome to our channel Serve the Taste. Today I am making spicy paneer fingers. Believe me, they are very tasty. If you don't know what is paneer, then paneer is actually Indian cheese. You can get it from Indian store, but many superstore also have it now. I can buy from Fresco, Walmart or Loblaws. For this recipe you need paneer. I'm taking 350 gram, but you can take bigger or smaller brick. You also need dried coriander, paprika and salt to marinate. And to coat, you need all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs and cornstarch. You also need oil to fry. First cut paneer in finger or fry shape. You can see I cut them in fry shape. You can make smaller fries if you like. Now we will marinate the fries. To marinate, take some oil and mix with coriander, paprika and salt. You can add pepper and salt as per your taste. If you like very hot, you can put more pepper, or you like salty, then you can put more salt. Now mix cornstarch, flour and breadcrumbs in other plate. If you like really spicy, you can add some paprika in this mixture too. You also can add pinch of salt. Whisk together. Now let's start. So first dip your finger in the marinade and then coat with flour mixture. And prepare all paneer fries in the same way. Make sure you mix the flour mixture properly. Make sure you are coating all around and side too. If you find out your mixture is getting thicker, you can add more oil. In the meantime, you can heat the oil in a heavy bottom pot and heat it over medium-high heat. So you can see I prepared all the fries in the same way. So now your paneer fingers are ready to fry. You see, they all looks good. So when oil is ready, drop paneer finger one by one. Be careful. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot. And then separate them little bit so they will not stick to each other. Flip them around for even browning. So you see they are turning golden brown slowly. So when they are golden brown all around, remove them on the paper towel. Prepare all your batches in the same way. So just put few fries, don't overcrowd it, turn them around and remove them when they are golden brown all around. So your paneer fingers are ready now. You can serve them with green chili sauce, jalapeno sauce or ketchup or any sauce you like. They are crunchy from outside and soft inside. Try this recipe, even your kids will love it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like our channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.